We've had an incredibly busy couple of months here at the Outback Organics Training Academy, which have included a wonderful trip out, as we do every year, to Yeovil College, where I'm lucky enough to be able to train the level 2 students in an introduction to bikini waxing, and then I also get to see the level 3 students where we do their accreditation for female intimate waxing. We've gone across country to Kent to our lovely Utopia beauty salon, and we've also run some training here in Wellington at our Outback Organics Training Academy. Some of the training that we run here at the Academy is our male and female intimate wax accreditations, and I also run workshops where I create a course around what you need. So that could be anything from your time management, from general confidence, and if you've got any issues that are occurring with hair breakage or skin traumas. So if there are any questions or queries on any of our trainings, speak to one of our wonderful team and they will guide you to our training dates.